chapter. One, development of male gametophyte. Second, development of female gametophyte. Male gametophyte involves 1 meiosis, 2 mitosis. Female gametophyte involves 1 meiosis, 3 mitosis. At the end of the process, male gametophyte में we have development of 2 male gametes. Right? Female gametophyte में we have a 7-celled 8-nucleated embryo sac जिसमें से only 1 is egg cell. यानी gamete is only 1. ठीक है? So दोनों में भी the number of meiosis are 1. But here 1 meiosis results in formation of 2 gametes. Here 1 meiosis results in formation of only 1 gamete. Okay. Now the third topic that is in front of us is pollination. Now pollination is not a new topic. Pollination has been touched upon in school also. We do know the definition of pollination. Pollination is nothing but transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma, either within the same flower or of a different flower. अगर same flower है तो self और अगर different flower है तो cross. इतना basic info सबको है, ठीक है? The second basic info which is there with everybody is what are agencies of pollination. Right? There is wind pollination, there is water pollination, insect pollination. Right now, we are going to talk about the same thing, but with a little bit of twist. थोड़ा सा, ठीक है ना? Definitely, the discussion is going to be a little of higher level. Now, first up, we will discuss what are types of pollination. Now the NCERT does not choose to discuss it as self and cross. NCERT में self और cross का discussion ही नहीं है. They have decided to say what are types of pollination, and they have described 3 types of pollination. The first type of pollination which the NCERT describes is autogamy. Right? The word gamy literally means marriage. Right? जिससे fusion होता है, gamete बनता है. Right? If you have heard of terms like monogamy or polygamy, people marrying multiple times, right? Lucky people. Okay. ठीक है? So gamy का मतलब क्या होता है? Marriage. Okay. Now in autogamy, just trying to illustrate with a small schematic diagram. If this is the flower, ये transfer हो जाएगा. So transfer of a pollen grain from anther to stigma within the same flower is called as autogamy. इसको बोलते हैं autogamy. Right? अब autogamy के लिए there are some conditions which are essential. Condition number 1, सबसे basic condition, the flower has to be bisexual. यानी फ्लावर में एंड्रोशियम गैनोशियम दोनों होना चाहिए तो ऑटोगैमी पॉसिबल है, वरना पॉसिबल नहीं है. ठीक है? सेकेंड, सिंक्रोनी बिटवीन मैच्योरेशन ऑफ एंड्रोशियम एंड गैनोशियम. यानी एक तो एंड्रोशियम गैनोशियम दोनों होने चाहिए और वो भी दोनों एक ही टाइम पे मैच्योर होने चाहिए. अगर दोनों एक टाइम पे मैच्योर नहीं हो तो फायदा क्या फिर? अच्छा, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय एंड्रोशियम मैच्योरेशन? यानी कि रिलीज ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन. एंड व्हाट इज मेंट बाय मैच्योरेशन ऑफ गाइनोशियम? रिसेप्टिविटी ऑफ स्टिग्मा. Stigma is able to receive pollen grain. If you remember, I had given a point in the first session that जब pollen grain stigma पे आता है तो सबसे पहली चीज होती है to check compatibility, which the stigma does by secreting certain proteins. So this ability is nothing that stigma mature हो गया, यानी stigma can detect that ये compatible है या non compatible है. Right? तो pollen release का मतलब होता है androecium maturity. Stigma receptivity का मतलब होता है gynoecium receptivity. So is this the second condition? In that case, यानी in a flower, if androecium and gynoecium are maturing at the same time, this is called as autogamous condition. So if I say in one statement, for autogamy to occur, a flower has to be bisexual and homogamous. A flower has to be bisexual and homogamous. The third condition, androecium and gynoecium should lie close to each other. Androecium gynoecium का स्ट्रक्चर दूर नहीं होना चाहिए. पोलन ट्रांसफर कैसे होगा कि यहाँ पर they are not going to use any pollinating agent. Self pollination है, right? So pollen grain यानी एंथर एंड स्टिग्मा विसिनिटी में होना चाहिए. थोड़ा भी दूर हुआ तो नहीं हो सकता. सो ये तीनों कंडीशन अगर प्लांट में है, फ्लावर में है, देन ऑटोगैमी पॉसिबल. अब problem is there. These three conditions to find in one plant is very difficult. So autogamy as a process is very rare. Autogamy as a process is very rare. ये तो एक. Secondly, why it is rare? First condition rare क्यों है? ये तीनों एक साथ नहीं मिलते. Second reason rare है because when you have continuous self-pollination, it weakens the progeny. Because the same set of characters keep on repeating. There is no recombination or character coming from outside. So, इससे the progeny, you know what is the progeny, na? F1 generation, F2, filial. They start becoming weaker and weak. See, when in a plant, when do you say the progeny becomes weak? क्योंकि आगे वाले generation में the number of seeds start becoming less. Right? Plant का vigor and growth starts becoming less. That is where you say progeny is becoming more and more weaker. So any plant would not like that progeny should. जो progeny weak मतलब species खत्म हो जाएगा. तो species persistent और strong रहने के लिए will it promote self pollination or cross pollination? Right? So understand why autogamy is rare. For two instances. एक तो ये conditions और ऊपर से वो problem weak progeny वाला. So, if a plant has to promote cross pollination, right? Plant तो cross pollination promote करेगा ना, तो उसको क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेक्चर के एंड में फिर से आएगा. उसको तीन चीजें करनी पड़ेगी. कुणाल, फ्लावर्स को यूनिसेक्सुअल कर दो, प्रॉब्लम ही खत्म. यूनिसेक्सुअल है तो सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन का तो चांस ही नहीं है. तो इफ देयर इज यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर, द प्लांट हैज टू गो इन फॉर क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. सो क्रिएटिंग यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर्स. सेकेंड, मैच्योरिटी का टाइम डिफरेंट कर दो. इफ दे आर मैच्योरिंग एट डिफरेंट टाइम्स, अगेन फ्लावर बाइसेक्सुअल है लेकिन मैच्योरिटी का टाइम डिफरेंट कर दो. एक तो पहला तो सबसे पहले यूनिसेक्सुअल कर दो. अगर बाइसेक्सुअल है तो टाइमिंग डिफरेंट कर दो, तो फिर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. और तीसरा, दोनों की पोजीशन दूर दूर कर दो. राइट? अगर प्लांट बाइसेक्सुअल है, अगर प्लांट होमोगैमस है, तो पोजीशन दूर कर दो. तो क्या ये तीन तरीके से कैन वी सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? Right now, so please remember these 3 points. I will come to it at the very end of the lecture. What will a plant do to promote cross pollination? Number one, it will start creating unisexual plants. If in case it is bisexual, it will make the time of maturation different. Even if it is maturing at the same time, it will give the position different. So, यानी you know, हिंदी में कहावत थी ना, साम धाम दंड भेद, कुछ भी करके क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. Why does it want to avoid self-pollination? To prevent weakening of the progeny. खत्म. Is autogamy clear? Okay. Now इसके अंदर ये तो अपना पहला पॉइंट था. दूसरा पॉइंट, in some of the plants, please pay attention, in some of the plants like viola, plant is producing two types of flowers. Two types of flowers. Please pay attention. Flower number one, where it is like a normal flower. Androecium, gynoecium, open up है flower, corolla, सब कुछ है. Normal flower. A flower which opens up. Such a flower is called as chasmogamous flower. Such a flower is called as a chasmogamous flower. The second type